It's a wonderful day for wisdom with wonder. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Decided to pull some cards today in the trees with some good tarot. And I don't come prepared with a question for the universe besides, what is something good that you can tell us today for our highest good and the highest good of all beings? So thankful for all the good in the world. Help us remember all that is good. What can you share with us right now that is good, universe, for our highest good and the highest good of all? Shuffle a little more. The energy's in there. Let's take a deep breath in. Breathe out completely. Connect your crystal etheric roots down through your tailbone or out through your feet. Pierce through the earth's crust, connecting to the soil, connecting to the rocks and the minerals and the crystals in the soil, connecting to the waters, connecting to the mycelium and fungal networks in the soil that speak with electrical signals, connecting to ours, and connecting to the trees and to all the energetic beings that are connected to Earth. Wind your crystal etheric roots of color seen and unseen down through all the multiple layers, connecting to the bedrock, to the lava, and anchoring yourself deep to a crystal core in the center of the earth. And the card that came out for us. Hello, Segue. Segwe's here. Kitty, kitty, you wanna say hello? We got Queen of Earth, you guys. This is so beautiful. Queen of Earth. So, the universe wants us to remember all that is good on Earth, nature. See all this golden light and abundance. The earth is full of abundance for us. Abundance in love, friendship, wealth, community. And how do we find this? The light is shining on it. We need to connect to Earth and stay grounded. To be able to see and connect to her beauty. It's all around us. Can you see? She has stars in her hair. A moth or a butterfly on her shoulder, a white one. She's been through transformation. She's connected to the stars, the sacred geometry, the antlers connecting to the spirit realm, the flowers in her hair connected to the earth, the butterfly connected to the air, the light coming in connected to the fire. So that's pretty good. Thank you, angels, spirit guides, ancestors, higher me, higher you, because I am you, and you are me, and we are one, and we are good. How do we keep feeling good in such a... This is my rutilated quartz necklace. So maybe we can keep feeling good by connecting to some crystals, earth. This is a rutilated quartz. You see the golden threads that reminds me of DNA. See this yellow solar plexus, I am me energy connected to the source of who you are. Holding it close to my heart. It's abundant, powerful, confident, courageous. Let's tune into our confidence, our courage, our knowing of who we are and how we're magical. How do we do that? How do we keep feeling good when we see things that aren't so good going on around us? The sun. So we gotta keep shining our light, you guys. Keep being you, your authentic, true self. Keep shining your light no matter what. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck. It's number 19. It's a 10. Beginning of a new cycle, a new way of being connected to the light. Keep shining your light and being authentically you. Right, kitty? Segue. Segue agrees. We just gotta keep shining our light, right, kitty? And kitty is an independent, courageous soul. So maybe you might need to go out on your own and be independent in something that you're doing. To keep shining that light. That's pretty good. So we're gonna stay connected to earth and our higher wisdom. Stay grounded in what we know is true, in our own truth and authenticity, and shine like the sun in that truth. And that's gonna help you feel good. It doesn't feel good when you aren't able to shine in your full authenticity. It's very healing when you can keep shining. Shine the light. A lot of you have already done so much healing, shining the light on your inner wounds and dark places you didn't want to see in the past. And that light was very healing. It illuminated what needed to be seen so it could be felt and dealt with, healed. So don't let anything dim your light now. It's a beautiful, beautiful earth. Whoa. Okay. I have a card that came out and landed on the Queen of Earth sideways. It's the Six of Earth, which would be like the Six of Pentacles. And it's really reminding us more of that golden light. All of these, they're so golden. So remember that golden light all around you and within. And see the antlers here? They're symbolic of being connected to the spirit realm. And look how long and strong and powerful these antlers are. The white stag, the purity, and all these pentacles. It's able to bring in the wisdom and ground it with the pentacles into the earth. And earth needs us to stay strong in our light and our courage and trusting that strong source consciousness, wisdom, your intuition, your higher self is speaking to you. Trust it and ground it in. Put your bare feet on some soil or in some flowing natural stream. Touch a stone. We need to ground in all this beautiful light. There's extra light coming in from the sun. The Schumann resonance has been, wow, giving us new DNA upgrades, higher awareness. When you know more good, you can do more good. So, keep shining in your authenticity. And how can you do that best? By getting grounded. So, like I said before, the mycelium and the trees communicate underground in the wood wide web with electrical signals. And the mycelium is like a white hairnet all underground, or carpet all underground, connecting all the trees. And it's in soil even where you don't see trees. When you put your bare feet on it as an electrical magnetic being, you can connect your powerful, powerful nature energy to nature. And you can exchange energy. You can give away any energies to the earth that no longer serve you, that don't feel good. Let them go. And you don't have to feel bad about it. The earth, she's so wise and so good. She knows how to recycle it, to transmute it, to transform it into healing love energy for the planet to use for her own healing. And the planet, what's going on in the planet around us is a mirror to what's going on inside of us. It's not separate from us. We are all one. A lot of us don't like to look at the dark things, but that's how you heal them. You have to see them. So that's why we gotta keep shining our light so we can see. Call. I haven't seen this card before. Call. Number 20, the call. She has a horn. It's like the angels are doing a call for you now to step up in your authenticity and shine. But let's see, I'm gonna read the book on this one. My kitty, should we read the book and see what is this call all about? The call. Yes. Call. Purpose and true prosperity. Oh, okay. I have everything I need right now to move forward with purpose. I'm being called into a deeper and more authentic relationship with myself, with my higher power, and with others. I am here for a reason. I'm required to step forward into my true self, expressing that through my actions. I need to trust that my life has a purpose, and I am enough. And that within me is a divine blueprint that has meaning for myself and others. It's beautiful.
Isn't that beautiful, kitty? Yes, you want attention.
This was a wild outdoor cat. Always hang out in the yard. For over a year, Segue one. He wouldn't come close to people. Until he started coming around every time I would pull cards for myself. He said, I want to be a part of this. And he encouraged me to start recording and sharing messages with you. Thank you, kitty. Appreciate you. So let's see if we got any more messages from the animals. Whoa. It's the Spirit Animal Oracle. What do the animals have to say about what we need to know right now to feel good, to be good, to know that all is well and good? Oh, 2 cards just fell out. Number 21, Dove Spirit. Be peace. May my hot breath carry these words all around the world, all around the universe. To you, be peace. So when you keep shining your light, you're being peace. And I thank you for that. I mean, I know it's cold out here, but this card just gave me chills. I heat up when I do these messages. I get hot. But this gave me a chill. Number 10. It's one of the numbers my dad speaks to me with, number 10. And getting a lot of masculine energy from this, but my dad was born on a 10 and always speaks to me now through 10s from the other side. But I also have a son, Noah, who was born on my dad's birthday. And I also have a son, Sky, my firstborn, who was born in the 10th month. And maybe this message is for you. Maybe you need to hear this. The abundant universe will provide. And I just saw a memory in my Facebook feed today of my daughter Savannah and my spirit daughter Patricia. From now they're all grown and awesome, beautiful women, but it was a memory from when they were like preteen. Went on a road trip to Yellowstone, and Savannah was holding her stuffed bison, buffalo, on her shoulder. That picture, that was a souvenir we got from the trip, because we just fell in love with these majestic, beautiful beings. So I don't know, all these multiple family members are coming up. Maybe this is a new beginning for your family. For multiple generations. From all that you've done to keep shining your light and grounding it into the earth. You've been answering the call from the angels, from yourself as an earth angel. And It's bringing in your abundance and prosperity because you've been able to shine the light on all the things that were keeping you in that lack consciousness, feeling that there wasn't enough. And when everyone's able to shine in their true authenticity, it brings peace. And with peace in our hearts, we can trust and know that the universe will provide everything we need and more. When we're shining in our truth. Yeah, we've been conditioned for a very long time how to not shine in our truth, to look to systems outside of us or energies outside of us to show us how to be. And now it's time to go inward and see how to be and shine. No more holding back. No more holding back your good energy, because you're answering the call. Thank you for doing that. See if we can get a crystal to help us in this time. What's going on, Katie? No?
I need a crystal back. Hey, kitty, you want attention?
Well, we know we got rutilated quartz to help us shine in our authenticity. It looks like the sunshine. What else? Who else wants to work with us so that we can shine in our authentic truth and stay grounded? I don't know if I finished my sentence earlier, but with all of our energy centers in our body, the root chakra, the red spinning energy center at our base of our tailbone, is the energy center that helps us feel safe and secure. And so when you put your bare feet on the ground and connect to the earth, or your hands on the tree or rocks or in some natural water when you're grounding, that helps you feel safe and secure. Just like when you take in a deep breath, it tells your body you're safe and secure. It lowers your heart rate. It helps with insomnia, with pain, with stuff going on in your head. It's very good to connect with nature and get grounded. And so you need that energy center at your base to feel safe and secure, for all of your other energy centers to be in alignment. And I notice a lot of people on their spiritual path like to focus maybe in the higher realms, in their third eye and their crown, and kind of, float around. Feels good. But you're gonna get a lot clearer, healthier messages when you're grounded. If you're safe and secure, the messages are good. If the messages are not good that you're hearing, a person you're listening to is probably not grounded. They're not feeling safe and secure. If the message is not feeling safe and secure, can't trust that. It's not grounded with spirit. So when you move up, the next energy center above your tailbone, below your belly button, is your sacral. It's an orange spinning center. That's creativity, relationships, passion. You're going to be able to express yourself creatively in a healthy way and have healthier relationships if you're grounded in that root chakra first, because you're safe and secure. You know, if you're not feeling safe and secure, you're not going to be healthy in your relationship because you're going to be projecting your insecurities of unsafety on another. So be grounded. And then we move up to that yellow spinning chakra of the sun, our solar plexus, the sun in us, our I am energy. And you're gonna have a healthier sense of self in your I am me energy when you feel safe and secure, okay? And if you're not safe and secure, if you're not grounded and rooted in that first base chakra, you're gonna have an unhealthy self-concept. You're not gonna feel powerful and strong and beautiful and magical and wonderful. Being grounded is very important, because then moving up from our solar plexus into our heart is a green spinning energy center. Like the green all around us, it's abundance, it's love. And you're gonna have healthier love for the planet, for the world, for people when you are grounded and feel safe and secure. Okay, and then you can truly, truly love yourself. And only then can you truly love others, right? And it keeps going from there. So then you can speak your truth because you love yourself with your blue spinning throat chakra. Because you're grounded in yourself and who you are. You know who you are. You're grounded. Speak your truth about it, like I'm doing right now. Follow your intuition. You're going to get healthy, safe, happy messages in your intuition when you're grounded, when you're safe and secure. People might be thinking stuff is scary if they're not grounded, you know? And it's not scary. Get messages from above, from the higher realms, angels, spirit guides, higher self, from our crown chakra. There's lots of energy out there. You don't want to just take in anything. So you need to be grounded. Safety and security in your truth and knowing who you are with everything in alignment. So some cards came out to tell us more about what crystals want to work with us. Ooh. And I got 3. So amethyst, you know, I showed you one the other day. I don't have all my crystals out here, but I do have a little tumblestone amethyst. Develop intuition. Use your psychic gift. Increase dream recall and the interpretation of symbols in all areas of life. Transform and transmute negative energy. It's an affirmation. I pay attention to my intuition and dreams. I easily interpret their message. So amethyst is a very healing stone that would like to work with you, a crystal. And we got, I never said this word, prehnite, the green heart chakra stone. Integrate and accept change. Align with the cycles of life. Improve mental alertness. Focus on the present moment. It's an affirmation. I accept the impermanence of all things. I know that change brings renewal and goodness. I'm like, oh, it's backwards for you. Maybe not when I play it back. But it says, I know that change brings renewal and goodness. So I need to go with the change. It's bringing renewal and goodness. There's a shift happening. And, do I have one of these? Orbicular jasper. I have to look through my crystals. unlimited possibilities. Relax into the flow of a happy life. What goes around comes around. Attract goodness and love. So you don't gotta worry about any evening scores or anything like that. What goes around comes around. The universe, where attention goes, energy flows. So we're gonna pay attention to feeling safe and secure, getting grounded and loving ourselves so we can shine bright in our sunshine energy that we got here. We're grounded, the Queen of Earth, connected to spirit, grounding it in, pulling in all that wisdom and grounding it to earth when we get grounded, answering the call to shine in our truths. These crystals are helping us. So it says, my life glides forward with ease. I am mindful. I think and act with positive energy. Isn't that cool looking? It's a nice message. It's green, full of love energy, and yellow, full of I am me, solar plexus, yellow energy. Beautiful. So thank you so much for tuning in. It was a beautiful message. I'm really grateful for you for tuning in. Thank you very much. 39 subscribers. I'm so grateful for you. It's pretty cool. It's like a little classroom full of people that I can connect with and share energy with, and shine in my authenticity. And I'm just really grateful to be able to feel seen. I don't know why I would cry about that. In my authenticity. Take it or leave it. It feels good to be able to shine in my full light, in my solar plexus. And thank you for helping me feel safe and secure and grounded as I express my creativity with the truth of who I am, with love, trusting my intuition and the wisdom from my higher self as we all connect. I'm grateful for you. So thank you for liking, thank you for commenting, letting me know what you like about the videos. If you have any questions that you want me to ask Spirit with the cards, and I'll look into your questions too. You can, we all want to know. And it's fun getting messages with the cards, confirming everything's magical. Thank you for subscribing. I'm so grateful for you. And I know I don't post on a regular schedule, just, when I feel inspired. And so if you want to click the little bell icon, it can give you notifications when I post something new, because I want to share all the love with you. And I hope that you continue to have a wonderful day. Much love.